So my garage door doesn't open unless I press the opener any number of times. So I need a new battery. What I'm going to do is open this case and check out the battery and order one. So I've got a flat-headed screwdriver, and there's a notch here and a notch on this side. So I place the garage door opener on a hard surface, and I put the screwdriver in, and I use a twisting motion of my wrist to pop it open. Then I put it into the next groove and do the same twisting motion. It still hasn't opened, so I'm going to place it in a place where there is no notch on the hard surface, and there, it did open. There's the battery. Here's the battery number, and so I'm going to order this CR2032 3-volt lithium battery and replace it, and then my garage door will open again easily. To close this, I just snap it closed. If you need to remove small screws to open your garage door opener, get something like this Stanley 66-052 kit, which has both Phillips and flathead screwdrivers.